Good morning friends. Today it's 3rd of December 2024 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday we have seen that Nifty has bounced back decently from the lows of 24,168 to the highs of 24,474 and managed to give a closing over and above 24,400 mark, up 0.51%. So the bias remains range to positive as we have been mentioning since last couple of sessions. The crucial support which we have given earlier was close to 23,750, 23,500 zone, over and above which the bias was mentioned positive. Now for the short-term traders, that support can be raised to 24,000 mark. So 24,000 will be the first support for this series, followed by 23,500. On the higher end, holding over and above 24,400, the immediate target come hurdle will be close to 24,800, 24,500 zone. So the bias remains range to positive, and for the day also we continue to hold the same outlook. Even for this series, as mentioned, holding about 24,000 mark, the bias will remain inside of bulls. In respect with Bank Nifty, it has underperformed yesterday, and we have seen that it just marginally managed to close in green, up 0.06% at 52,395 mark. So technically, as per the Bank Nifty futures, 51,700 can be looked as an important support for the short-term bulls, followed by 50,500 for the positional bulls for this series. While trading over and above 51,700, the bias is still in favor of bulls, but the concern is that in the private banking space, we can see the derivative data is not that encouraging as of now. For example, we have mentioned in SDFC Bank last series that the rollover is not good. There is a high option writers active at a higher strike price. Those option sellers are still active in most of the counters like SDFC, ICICI, even in Reliance also. So either these option sellers need to run in order to see the prices higher. But if you purely rely on the price study, the bias still remains range to positive. So nothing much to say about downside. Yes, holding over and above 51,700, Bank Nifty should be within a range to positive outlook. In broadly, we have seen a decent buying interest in Nifty's small cap and mid cap since last few sessions, and we have been mentioning that the sentiment is changing. The negativity and the pessimism and the price correction which the Nifty small cap and mid cap has witnessed in the last couple of months to an extent has been abated, and now there is a reversal in the sentiments and decent buying interest is visible at a selective lower levels. So we continue to hold the same outlook, and we have been sharing few ideas for trading and positional time frame. For example, in the realty space, we have been bullish. We have mentioned Godrej Properties, Oberoi, DLF. We have recommended last series for the positional time frame. Reliance for the trading we have recommended on 29th. L&T we have recommended, and in cement pack also we have witnessed decent buying interest in last couple of sessions. So we believe that there can be some kind of follow-up buying in the cement space. So there we are bullish on Grasim and Ultratech, which remains the top bet. In PSU banks, SBI and Canara Bank remains the top bet. In metal space also we have been on the long side in counters like VEDL and MDC. So hedged long outlook can be looked in this space. Rest during the market hours we will be sharing fresh trading ideas and investment bets. Thank you.